Welcome to Jamaica Homes, where we're touring around different properties of Jamaica. Today we're going to be touring a property in Mandeville. Beautiful Mandeville, cool Mandeville, Little London, or Little England as they say. So we're going to be going to a property which is set as a bungalow. It's a 4-bed property, consists of 3 bathrooms. And it's got apartment downstairs. We're not able to access the apartment, but we will access the bungalow style of the property, and just want you to enjoy and come on a tour with us. Enjoy. Okay, so here we are arriving at this beautiful, gorgeous house. Look at the colours on this house. It is stunning. Beautiful. Which consists of kind of the Jamaican colours. As you can see, the gold or yellow and the green and the black on the gate. Stunning. So we've got a garage here as well, and then a veranda right here. So we could got the veranda here with the shelter coming over. Beautiful garden. The owner really maintains the front of the property. Really lovely, as you can see. Gorgeous maintenance of the beautiful flowers of Jamaica. This property also has 2 drives. So as you can see, I'm standing on one drive, which leads to the garage there. And then we have another drive over here. Okay, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you round the property first before we enter. As you can see, look at the decor on the troll-on wall as well. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so we got steps that could lead to the side of the property right here. Again, we've got some of the garden area where they've planted different types of fruits and vegetables. Gorgeous. Oh, look at the vegetation. Stunning. Stunning. We've got a shed there with a couple tanks on the top. Then we lead round. So this is the apartment down here. However, as I said, we can't access it, so we're not going to go in there today, but hopefully another time we could access it and show you what the apartment looks like. And then you got places to hang your clothes as well, or beddings and sheets. And then the garden leads round. So you can see we got it coming round here, and then we go up here. More beautiful trees and palm trees as well. And so this leads us round to the second part of the drive of the property, like I said. What I'm going to do is just going to spin round so that I could show you from this view. Come through its own gate to here. See? So it's a lovely, beautiful outside area. Stunning property. And you can access the front via this way as well. She comes here. As I was saying, look, I don't know if you can see the mountains in the back there. Got a beautiful view from here. You can quite see it. If you're here in person, it just does look so beautiful. The camera does not really capture the beauty of this view right here. It really doesn't. So out here, well, in this part of the front of the property, you can see, am I showing you here the front of it? You've got the veranda where you could just chill and relax. Look at this wooded ceiling. It's like wooden mahogany ceiling, isn't it stunning? And the ceiling just flushes right through the property. It's beautiful. Really like what they've done at the front of this veranda. Simple, elegant, tasteful, and just enjoyable. Lovely. Stunning. Let's go and take a look at this stunning house. Okay, wow. Look at the settee. Gorgeous, gorgeous settees. And the rug. I love the rug. And that coffee table. I love it. Beautiful, matching with the settees. Gorgeous. And look at the tiles on this floor. Wow. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Sparkling, pristine, clean. Oh, wow. This living room is gorgeous. And as we can see down here, it flushes right through to the kitchen. Flushes right through to the kitchen. As we can see, the ceiling, the wooden ceiling, and the beautiful chandeliers hanging down with a fan, obviously to keep us cool. Wow, I absolutely love this ceiling. Absolutely love this brown kind of mahogany ceiling with the fan and the chandeliers. It really, really is tastefully done. Tasteful, very tasteful. So as I said, we're in a living room area. Let's do a quick tour like this. Living room area. And then it goes to the living room, flushes straight through to the living room, and there's tiles flush right through, which is absolutely gorgeous. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. You could hear the radio playing in the background. Wow. So we can see we have a, oh, what's on here? What's this? Just take a little nosy, have a little peek. Bread. Oh, that smells gorgeous. This homemade bread. Let's have a look at it in here. Ah, tea. Wow. Okay. It's like, I like fever grass tea actually. Yeah, fever grass tea. Wow. So this is gorgeous, as we can see from this angle as well. From the kitchen, looking into the living room. And I'm going to quickly zoom down here. And then you can see into the living room there, into the kitchen there, sorry. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Country style. Oh, and look at the ceiling and the lights. Wow, you could hear the rain coming through the ceiling. I don't know if you could hear it. It's not coming through the ceiling, but you could hear it pelting on the ceiling. I love this kitchen. Oh my God, look at the fruits. Look at the fruits. A pineapple. Oh, what have we got here? Orange, a mango going on, the big avocado. Look how huge these avocados are. And the orange. Wow. It seems like this net thing here helps to keep the fruit flies from going crazy at these lovely fruits. Let me try and fix it properly. There we go. Wow, these pineapples look yummy. What have we got underneath here? Be nosy. Banana, mango, juicy mango. Making my mouth water. Yum. So look at this counter, guys. This counter is gorgeous. Oh, beautiful, beautiful counter. I have to ask the owner what the name of the counter is and put it on. I love the country style of this kitchen. Big massive fridge there as well. beautiful. I love the tiles going through, and the tiles on the wall as well. Stunning, stunning, absolutely gorgeous. So as we can see, as I said, we're in the kitchen area, and then gonna see where this leads to. So this is a washroom. Okay, nice washroom. Okay, and then disco lights. I like that. I love that feel. Love this feel. It seems like we're going into another room. Where's the light for in here? I don't know if the light's in here. Okay, so we're going through into a dining area. Lovely. Oh, some barrels there I can see. And again, look at this floor. It's gorgeous, this tile floor in here. Wow. So this is a dining room area. So from the washroom, we've come into a dining area, which seems to lead out onto a balcony or a veranda, we could say as well, where we've got some plants going on in here. So we come onto a veranda, balcony. This is lovely, gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow, so this is a lovely veranda. We could chill out into the lounge, not lounge chair, but into that. Chill out into that. And it feels so lovely and cool in here from the veranda. As you can see, the sun's not out because it's raining. But this is a lovely, lovely veranda where there's plants and chill out area. You could eat out here as well, and just sit on that lovely swinging chair and just chill. This is gorgeous. The owners are blessed with this. So from the back of the veranda that we was on, I want to show you the view as well. Isn't this gorgeous? Gorgeous view, especially of the mountains at the back of here. I was trying to zoom in so you could try and experience this. It doesn't do it justice, capturing on camera like this, but from here, you could feel the cool breeze and you could just see God's beauty really in the parish of Mandeville from this veranda. This breeze feels gorgeous. Just feels gorgeous. Okay, and then we're just gonna head into what looks like the master bedroom. Look at that big lovely bed. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Absolutely lovely. Lovely, with the bed matching the curtains as well. Oh, lovely wooden ceiling. Absolutely gorgeous wooden ceiling. Painted in white. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got a lovely walk-in closet, and then into the bathroom. Again, beautiful, beautiful wooden ceiling, painted in white, and a gorgeous, gorgeous bathroom with gorgeous curtain as well, shower curtain, gorgeous. Oh, jacuzzi bath. Oh, you could definitely get into here and have a lovely soak. Beautiful, absolutely lovely, lovely ensuite. Okay, and then we've come into this room as well. This is nice. And again, look at the curtains here. Oh, the people who lived here, I must say, is very tasteful in their taste. It's so different. You know, to think of having these kind of curtains, I absolutely love it. So we can see that we've got another bedroom here, as I said, with built-in cabinets there. Yeah, this is lovely, beautiful. Okay, lovely. So this door, I believe, leads to the bathroom. Okay, so we have a sink, toilet, and this is a shower area here as well, as we can see. Lovely big open shower. Look at that. I love these tiles. You got a little stepping board as well if you wanted to stand on there. This is beautiful. Look at those tiles on here. Gorgeous. Stunning. Stunning. And it leads onto another bedroom. As we could see, leads onto another bedroom right here. This is a lovely, lovely bed. And again, the tiles just flush right through as well into here, into the bedroom. Gorgeous. Okay, so then we have another bedroom right here. Again, beautiful curtains. Wow. Absolutely love it. The decor in this house is gorgeous. So we've got a bedroom in here. It's comprised of a TV, bed, and a cabinet, as we can see. And then which goes have an ensuite as well. A lovely ensuite area in here. Again, the floor, the tiles flush through in here as well into the bathroom with a lovely bath as well. So this is one of the bedrooms, as I said, in this gorgeous, gorgeous house. Absolutely stunning, beautiful. So I just want to take the opportunity to thank you so much for coming on this tour, viewing this lovely property with us today, and I hope you have enjoyed it just as much as I have touring the property and showing it off to you all. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and please go ahead and click that notification button. Please do join us on another occasion when we will be touring again on another Jamaican home property. Stay blessed.